Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam, with followmytrades.com, here with an update to your free trade of the week from last week on the British pound and the US dollar. So what we had was news announcements that happened on Friday regarding unemployment numbers, and it moved the market back up into a long position on the 4 hour, which is where I was observing and where we were observing to take a trade initially short. So after the time had passed and also the market has shifted, what we see on the monthly is it's actually set up for it's in a level too long. And so we could have some a small amount of pullback here, maybe about, let's say, 185 to 200 pips, about 185 pips of pullback, maybe 170 to 185. And so if this trade, which I've already taken on the opposite side, which we'll get into in a second, pulls back, it should maybe pull back into the 140, 427 area, which is perfectly fine. So on the monthly, I see a buy trade happening, and then it's a little volatile on the lower time frames. But on the weekly, it's showing a buy as well, with room for that pullback that we talked about. And then on the daily, it's actually pulling back from a sell, a level one short. So that actually could play into the to the pullback scenario to where the trade goes down before it goes up. And then we have the trade on the 4 hour, which is showing level one long. So what did I do? I canceled the trade that I had on that was a sell that I sent out for last week. And I turned around to a buy because the confluence says that the long-term direction will be upwards over the coming days as opposed to going down. So even if this pulls back against us, we'll still have another opportunity maybe for a better entry. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and close out the sell trade if you haven't already, and we're going to issue a buy trade. So we're going to buy in at 141,659, and then we're going to have a stop loss of 136,696 and a take profit of 1.46968. So that will give you, I think that gives you more than a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio on the trade. And then we'll watch this play out over the several days, and I'm looking forward to hit this blue line up here. So we'll update that as this continues to play out, and we'll talk about it on the other side. Until then, if you want to learn more about how to become a successful trader so that you can learn how to make the money, to buy the assets, to get the cash flow, to get your time freedom back, join us at fmtrades.com and check out our YouTube page, The Forex Family. All right, until next time, happy trading.